Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Manjunath. This video is a math tutorial. In this video I am teaching trigonometrical formulae. This tutorial is useful for students who are studying maths in Diploma, PU and Engineering. In trigonometry we come across with basic fundas like quadrants, ratios, identities, sum and differences, product, half angle formulae, double angle formulae, etc. I picked one of the formula in the identities such as double angle identities. In this video I am going to show how to arrive at the formula of double angle identities by deriving the equation. So how I am going to do? Let's go through it. The topic is on the equation of double angle identities. So I picked one of the formula, that is tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. This has to be derived and proved. Now the solution. We know that tan a is equal to sin a divided by cos a by the ratios. Similarly, tan 2a can be written as tan 2a is equal to sin 2a divided by cos 2a. This single angle, 2a is double angle, so that is what the term refers to. We call this equation as 1. We know the values of sin 2a and cos 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. These values will be applied in the equation number 1. Now see, now the equation 1 becomes like this, is equal to 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a minus sin square a. I have put the value of sin 2a over here. I have put the value of cos 2a over here. This term in the numerator carries the same term as that of the last equation. I have taken cos square a as a common factor. Cos square a multiplied by 1 minus sin square a divided by cos square a. So when I take cos square a as a common factor, this value, this sin square a becomes sin square a divided by cos square a. So this is 2 sin a divided by cos a multiplied by 1 minus tan square a, because the cos a in the numerator and the cos square a in the denominator gets cancelled each other. I have the next term, I have splitted the parts into 2. I have taken 2 sin a in the numerator and cos a in the denominator multiplied by 1 divided by 1 minus tan square a. This 1 multiplied by this value will not change the value of this term, so I have split it into 2. Now let us see what happens. 2 sin a divided by cos a. As we know, sin a divided by cos a is equal to tan a, which I have written in the numerator. Then 2 tan a multiplied by 1 will remain the same term as it is. In the denominator, I am left with 1 minus tan square a. So the value is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. The LHS is RHS is equal to RHS. Now we obtained this value, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. There are different options. This is the best option which I chosen, so hence this is proved. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with different topics related to science and mathematics and engineering topics as well. Thank you very much. Bye.